Hello, I'm Lieutenant Jeff Duckworth from the Sheriff's Financial Crimes Unit. Anytime a wildfire strikes, there's a spark of wildfire-related scams. Beware of solicitors posing as firefighters or charities. They will ask for donations in person, by mail, email, or phone. Check out the agency before donating. Donate to a charity with a good track record and history. Trust your instincts. Resist the pressure to give. Another common problem involves home repair scams. Be skeptical of anyone who shows up on your property. The key is to avoid rushing into any agreement until you have verified their qualifications. Do not sign anything up front. Scammers will pressure you with tactics such as offering cheap materials and labor and offering a discount if you act now. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Ask for written references and make sure that any contract is in writing. Be sure that anyone claiming to be from a cleanup, demolition, or construction company is state licensed. Checking a contractor's license is easy. Just call the California State License Board at 800-321-CSLB. Again, that is 800-321-2752. You can also check their website at www.cslb.ca.gov. Make sure there are no complaints or disciplinary actions against the company. If you are hiring a public adjuster, understand that a public adjuster does not represent an insurance company. He or she works on your behalf to negotiate the insurance claim and receives a commission based on the final claim payment. A public adjuster will manage everything from cleaning up to rebuilding to handling paperwork. Some adjusters will charge extremely high fees for their services and then disappear. Other adjusters will refer you to an unreliable contractor. The adjusters may get a kickback from the contractor and you're left with shoddy repairs. To make sure you don't get burned twice, verify a public adjuster's license with the California Department of Insurance. Call 800-967-9331 or visit www.insurance.ca.gov. Click on the Consumer tab and then the Licensee Information section. Remember, you can always report suspicious activity by calling the Sheriff's Financial Crimes Unit at 858-565-5200 or by visiting our website, sdsheriff.net/financial. To learn more about various state and federal assistance programs, as well as recovery and rebuilding information, visit sdcountyrecovery.com.